Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss what is fraction. Fraction means a part of a group or a whole. Fraction means a part of a group or a whole. Let's take a circle. Okay. Divided 4 parts. Divided into 4 parts. Shade into 1 part. 1 part shaded. Shaded parts is represented by 1 bar 4. 1 bar 4. Okay, 1 part shaded, one shaded part is represented by 1 bar 4. Fraction means a part of a group. Whole parts of 1 part is the fraction. Types of fractions. Fractions is divided or classified into 4 types. One is proper fraction, second is improper fraction, third is whole fraction or mixed fraction, fourth is unit fraction. Proper fraction means numerator is less than denominator. Numerator are 2, example 2 bar 3. Okay, 2 is less than 3. 2 is numerator, 3 is denominator. 2 is less than 3. 4 bar 8. 4 is less than 8. 5 bar 8. 5 is less than 8. This is the proper fraction. And improper fraction. Numerator is greater than the denominator. Denominator greater than the numerator. 6 bar 3. 6 is greater than 3. 6 is numerator, 3 is denominator. 6 is greater than 3. 9 bar 7, 9 is greater than 7. And 10 bar 8, 10 is numerator, 8 is denominator. 10 is greater than 8. Whole fraction or a mixed fraction. Whole fraction or mixed fraction means the fraction in which whole number and fraction are present is called the whole or mixed fraction. Let's take example. 2 whole, 3 bar 4. 2 is the whole number, 3 bar 4 is the fraction. This is called whole or mixed fraction. 8 whole, 3 bar 6. 8 is whole, 3 bar 6 is fraction. This is called whole or mixed fraction. 2 whole, 1 bar 4. Then unit fraction. What is unit fraction? Any fraction in which numerator is 1 is called the unit fraction. Example 1 bar 4, 1 bar 6, 1 bar 9, etc. Numerator is 1. This is called the unit fraction. How to convert improper fraction to whole fraction? Improper fraction means numerator is greater than denominator. 9 bar 8, improper fraction convert whole fraction. The 9 is divided by 8. 8 ones are 8. 1 is the whole. This one is the numerator and 8 is the denominator. 1 whole, 1 bar 8. Then 7 bar 3. 7 is divided by 3. 3 2 is 6. 6 1. 2 is the whole number and 1 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator. This is 2 whole 1 bar 3. How to convert the whole or mixed fraction into improper fraction? Multiply the whole number with the denominator and add 1 numerator. 2 into the whole number 2, denominator is 4 and 1 is the numerator. Whole number multiply with the 4, denominator 4 plus numerator add with the numerator divided by 4. 2 4 8 plus 1 bar 4, then 9 bar 4. Then multiply whole number with the denominator and add with the numerator. 3 into 6 plus 2 divided by 6. 18 plus 2 divided by 6 is 20 by 6. Circle the proper fraction. Proper fraction means numerator is less than denominator. 3 is less than 4. This is the proper fraction. 8 by 9. 8 is the smaller than 9. This is the proper fraction. 3 is less than 7. 3 is the proper fraction. 4 is less than 6. This is the proper fraction. 9 is greater than 6. This is not the proper fraction. Okay. Then circle the improper fraction. Improper fraction means numerator is greater than denominator. 9 is greater than 4. This is the improper fraction. 2 is less than 5. This is not the improper fraction. This is the proper fraction. 7 is the greater than 6. This is the improper fraction. 4 is less than 8. This is the improper fraction. 10 is the greater than 6. This is the improper fraction. Okay. Then circle the whole or a mixed fraction. Whole fraction or mixed fraction. 2 whole 1 by 8. This is the whole fraction. 4 by 7. Proper fraction. 1 by 8. Unit fraction. 1 whole 7 by 4. This is the whole fraction. 3 whole 2 by 5. This is the whole fraction. Okay. Circle the unit fraction. Unit fraction means the numerator is 1. This is the unit fraction. 2 by 8. Numerator is 2. This is not unit fraction. 1 by 10 is the unit fraction. 1 by 3. 2 by 5. 2 is 2. Numerator is 2. This is not the unit fraction. 1 by 5. This is the unit fraction. Okay. Then let's discuss what is greater fraction, what is smaller fraction, and equal fraction. Let's say example 2 by 4 and 9 by 10. Who is greater fraction? Multiply diagonals or cross multiplication. 2 into 10, 4 into 6. 2 into 10. Here 20. 20. 4 into 9, 36. Who is greater? 20, 36. Okay. Who is greater? 20 or 36? 36 is greater. No? 9 by 10 is greater than 2 by 4. Then cross multiplication. 6 into 6. 36. 4 into 9. 36. 36 and 36 both are equal. This is the equal fraction. Okay, then cross multiplication. 3 into 7, 21. 8 into 6, 21. Okay, 8 into 6, 48. Who is greater, 21 or 48? 48 is greater. 48 is greater. So, 6 by 7 greater than 3 by 8. Then next example. 6 by 12, 2 by 4. Who is greater? Cross multiplication. 12 into 2, 24. 6 into 4, 24. Both are equal. This is the 6 by 12 and 2 by 4 is equal fraction. Both are equal fraction. 2 by 8 and 3 by 7. Who is the greater fraction or smaller fraction or equal fraction? Cross multiply. 8 into 3, 24. 2 into 7, 14. Who is greater, 24 or 14? 24 is greater than 14. So, 3 bar 7 is greater than 20, 2 bar 8. 1 bar 6, 3 bar 4. Who is greater? Cross multiplication. 1 into 4 is equal to 4. 6 into 3 is equal to 18. Who is greater? 4 or 18? 18 is greater. So, 3 bar 4 is greater than 18. No, 1 bar 6. Sorry. 3 bar 4 is greater than 1 bar 6. Okay.